Now, in addition to authorizing a request from within a controller action, we can also do it on the routing level as a middleware. Let's illustrate this. As an example, let's say you can only view a conversation if you created it. It makes no sense, but maybe as a draft, it might make sense. All right, how would we do it? Well, at the moment, we know, do it on the controller level. Before we show a conversation, we will authorize that you can view it. So we could do it like this, or as we learned in the last episode, you could remove it. Up to you. Now, at the moment, we don't have this ability defined, which means if I refresh, it defaults to false, unauthorized. Let's switch over to our policy, and let's duplicate this. So now we're going to check if the given user can view the conversation. And again, it's basically the same thing. So now, if I come back and refresh, because I created this thread, I have permission. But if we check as a guest, I'm unauthorized. All right, great. So that's mostly a recap. However, we can also do this, as I noted at the intro to the video, we can also do it as a middleware. So let's try it out. We've removed it, which means now anyone can access this conversation. Let's fix it. Return to our routes file. And now I'm going to say, apply a middleware. The identifier or name is can, just like within your blade directives. Next, we want the ability name itself. We called it view. And then finally, we want the wildcard. So remember, if I reference conversation here, it's going to leverage route model binding. It'll grab the identifier here, which will be 5 maybe, and it will automatically pull in the conversation with an ID of 5. So this would be another way to do it. If I come back and give it a refresh, as a guest, I'm no longer authorized. But if I return to where I'm signed in and give it a refresh, of course, I am authorized. So this would work as well. And again, it comes down to preference. Do you like your authorization and your authentication to be performed as a route middleware before you ever get to the controller? Or do you like to do it directly within a controller action? I know top tier developers who like both, so it's up to you.